Are you struggling with your push-ups? Or maybe you just can't seem to hit your max? Or maybe you're getting shoulder pain while doing your push-ups? In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve all those problems and exactly how to hack your push-up. Hey guys, it's the Jacked Vegan back again, helping you guys learn all the beginner, intermediate and advanced calisthenic moves in easy to understand progressions so you can achieve whatever calisthenics moves you're stuck at. On this channel, we're all about ethics and calisthenics, so if you like videos on plant-based diets and how to get jacked on them, as well as fitness tutorials, then please subscribe and please like this video if you want more content like this. Now let's get on with the video. Hack number 1. Optimize your hand placement for power. So as you guys will know, there are various ways of doing the push-up. For example, wide push-ups, one-arm push-ups, planche push-ups. But the main difference between these push-ups is the hand placement. Now, for wider push-ups, so the farther away your hands go, you're targeting more of your chest. So these are chest dominant, and the closer you bring your hands, they become more tricep dominant. So if we know that by changing our hand placement, we can change to the degree of which we activate our chest or tricep, then we can use this to our advantage. So by using that hand placement knowledge, we can optimize the maximum amount of push-ups we do in one set by changing our hand placement to target whichever muscle group we feel has the greatest strength or endurance for that specific movement. For example, when I'm going for my maximum amount of push-ups, I change my hand placement so that it's closer in slightly, so I target more of my triceps. This is optimizing my push-ups because specifically for me, when I'm going for my maximum amount of push-ups, my triceps have a great amount of endurance and I feel like more power than my chest does. This is just because I'm naturally just stronger in my triceps. So this is what the hack is all about, is just optimizing the movement for you. So if you feel like you have a stronger chest or a greatest endurance in your chest, then go for a wider push-up if you're going for your max. And then if you have stronger triceps, then maybe bring your hands in a little. If you're a beginner, just focus on your form. You don't need to worry too much about your hand placement and targeting different muscles. It'll be more beneficial for you to just work on your form and just work on getting your push-ups up from 1 to 2 to 10 to 20. So don't worry too much about the hand placement, just focus on your form. Hack number 2, focus on your lower body. So many times do I see people get hyped up to do their push-ups, they get motivated, then they go to do their push-up and they just fall flat. They're bananaing, they can't push up properly, they're wobbling. And that's all because of one main thing usually, and that's their lower body. They're so focused on their upper body and getting their hands in the right position and what their shoulders are doing and their chest and their triceps that they're not focused on their lower body. When you go to do your push-up, you want to focus on your hips and your legs and make sure there are also tension there as well as in your upper body. You want to squeeze your glutes as hard as you can and you want to tilt your hips so that your body is in a straight line. In this clip here, you can see me tilting my hips to make sure that they're in a straight line. You can see me contracting my abs as well to do this. You can also use this exercise I'm showing you now to help you get used to contracting those muscles and tilting your hips. Hack number 3, and the last hack, is your body path. A lot of people have never heard this hack before, so if this is the first time you're hearing this hack, then please hit the like button, please subscribe for more tips and hacks that you never see anywhere else. Now, most people think that the best way to get the maximum amount of push-ups and the most power while doing your push-ups is to go vertically straight up and down. That's actually not the case. If any of you guys have done the bench press before, you'll know that when you do the bench press, you'll start with your hands above your shoulders, stabilizing the bar with your shoulders back and depressed on the bench. Then as you bring the bar down and the weight down towards your chest, as your elbows tuck, the bar will come down towards the lower part of your chest. And then as you press back up, your hands will return to their original position, which was at your shoulders. So the same thing goes for the push-up. When you go down, your body will come slightly forward as your elbows tuck, because your elbows tucking is your shoulder girdle being in its most stable position. So now you know when you do your push-ups, you should be tucking your elbows and keeping your upper back and shoulders in its most stable position, and your body should follow a path straight forward slightly where it's most efficient and you can apply the most power through the floor to help maximize the amount of push-ups you're doing. For more calisthenics and body weight tips like these that you hear nowhere else on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel. We'll have more tips and tricks on calisthenics moves like these in later videos. And if you found a hack that you hadn't heard before, then please like the video. I've been the Jack Vegan, and you can watch some of these videos popping up on the screen now, and I'll see you guys later.